came to see Dr. Eli Akbari, who is quite and very well-known facial plastic surgeon. I visited Dr. Eli Akbari for the procedure called non-surgical facelift, which was including the Botox and fillers. When I look at my face in the mirror, and when my daughter had a coffee with me without makeup or something, she said, "Mom, you look super tired, you look so tired." And I thought that, okay, I got the point that I should do something to help my face to be more fresh and more young.
Welcome to Monarch MD. My name is Dr. Eli Akbari and I'm a facial plastic surgeon. My patient and I just finished our consultation process and she told me about her story. We actually have had previous treatments together, so we know each other quite well. And she always wants to be proactive about her appearance. She's a mom of 3 and she wants to look refreshed. And she also, whenever she looks at the mirror, sometimes she feels like she looks more tired than she actually is. And also she wants to look less saggy. So our treatment plan for her today is treatment of Botox, which she's quite familiar with and gets regularly. We'll be focusing on her forehead, crow's feet, and the glabella area. And also we also put Botox around the perioral, around the mouth, to minimize the vertical lip lines for her. In addition to that, we're going to do a full face treatment for her, which is, again, we're going to start from the upper third of the face and then coming into the middle third. The cheeks are a very important foundation for the face, so we're going to treat both the lateral and medial cheeks for you, and then we'll address the lift from the preauricular, this area, as well as the jaw over here, and then augmenting the chin. For refinement, we're going to go into the tear trough area. She doesn't want big lips, she just wants them to look a bit more hydrated, so that's what we're going to do as well. You ready to do it?
Thank you. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. During the procedure, I didn't feel that much pain, maybe a bit, and then I felt a bit of pressure as well. She is one of the best, amazing doctors that I've ever met. I did before this with some family physicians. It wasn't my first experience to do with doctors, but it was my first experience to do it with plastic surgeon. And the way that she helped me to go through this was amazing, unique experience. After my treatment has been done, I had a bit of bruise, especially around the lower part of my face, and it wasn't something to make me surprised, because as I mentioned when I went through the consultation with her, she made me ready. She provided me lots of time and lots of information, and it wasn't anything that I would be surprised by looking at myself in the mirror. The recovery was really great. Actually, when I went home, I had a bit of pain and swelling, and so I took arnica, which was really helping me. I had no complications, and I had peace of mind that Dr. Eli Akbari is gonna support me as always, because I'm her patient since almost 4 and 5 years ago, and no complication as always. The biggest change, to be honest, that I noticed on my face is I feel at least 10 years younger, which made my lifestyle quite different. I feel more confident. My jawline are more defined and less saggy. My lips are more beautiful and natural and younger, and my cheeks are, like as you see, beautifully just go up. And again, the most important thing that I'm happy about is just I feel fresh every time that I wake up and I look at myself in the mirror. I got lots of feedbacks from family and friends, especially again my oldest daughter. She encouraged me to go and do this, and everyone is keep asking me, what kind of makeup are you using and why are you so different, why are you much younger? And I always say that because I just went and I have peace of mind. I just close my eyes without any pain, without any surgical procedure, with Dr. Eli Akbari's beautiful, talented hand, and she made me, without any pain again, feel younger and more energetic and ready to be a better mom and better person in the society. I strongly recommend Dr. Eli Akbari to all my family and friends. Since 5 years ago, I have lots of friends, and because to be honest, they came to me and asked me, what did you do? What is this magic procedure that you are doing? And I just showed them the video and the picture of me before and after the procedure. So many of my friends came to this clinic, and thank God that they are keep sending me thank you so much. And she doesn't need anything that I shouldn't say anything about her, because everyone who come and do this, after going out of the clinic after 3-4 weeks, they're gonna see the result themselves. I'm so happy, and I totally recommend her.
Welcome back to Monarch MD. My name is Dr. Eli Akbari and I'm a facial plastic surgeon. Layla and I just had our follow-up together. She actually has been a patient of mine for the past few years. She's gorgeous to begin with. She's a busy mom of 3, also working, right? And she's really proactive in terms of keeping her beautiful looks refreshed, right? The last time though, she's been quite busy, and we haven't seen each other for a while for any treatments, and so we did a full face treatment, including Botox of the forehead, the frown area or glabella, as well as crow's feet, bunny feet, and around the eyes, around the lips and chin as well. In terms of fillers, we did a full face treatment as well. She had gorgeous mid cheeks in her youth, and we've been preserving that for her. So again, we augmented the lateral and medial cheeks. We went in and rebuilt her beautiful jawline because she had some sagging and jowling, and then we went and did the refinement area of the tear trough, the nasolabial folds, and she really wanted to stay natural, so we just gave her a product in her lips that make it look a bit more hydrated but not really big.
Exactly, that's what I wanted. Thank you so much.
Exactly. So how's it been over the last few weeks going through the procedure, and how do you like your results?
To be honest, I had fantastic result. I feel much younger, and every time I wake up and I look at my face through the mirror, I'm not worried to have makeup all the time. And the most important thing is I don't feel tired at all, because the first thing that I just look at myself in the mirror and I see that without makeup, I just, at least I think and I feel 10 years younger. That's not what I'm feeling. That's what my oldest daughter, she's my best friend, she always, pushed me to come to do this, because she said that you do everything for the family. Now it's your turn, you have to invest some money for yourself and do it. And I think that was very, very great advice from my daughter. I love her so much, and thank you so much to send me through this beautiful experienced surgeon. She did an amazing job, and I feel amazing. Thank you so much again.
Thank you,
dear. Thank you.
I really appreciate that. And honestly, at Monarch MD, and my philosophy is not treating lines, and I'm getting goosebumps honestly hearing you say that.
No, I'm just honest. I just wanted to say whatever I feel. And it's just really, really great opportunity that I can show my feelings with the words.
She's amazing at that. She's into poetry, and I'm honestly getting goosebumps, and that's what drives me in my work is feelings. And when people don't look the way they feel from the inside, especially being a busy mom, working mom, and not having that time for self-care on a regular basis, doing these treatments on a regular basis, it just makes you, like you said, needing less makeup, looking more refreshed, and I think we just show up better in the world when we do that, right? So I really appreciate you trusting your beautiful face to me. Honestly, all my patients are already so beautiful. They make my job really, really easy, and I completely agree with you. I think it's you look like yourself, you look refreshed, and I think it's great, the commitment that she has. One thing I want to highlight is the word investment that she uses. A lot of the patients, they're worried. Number one, they want to look natural. Number two, they want to know how much the treatment costs them, but I always reframe and say, this is an investment in yourself. It's not really a cost. You're investing in how you feel and how you show up in the world.
Thank you. Thanks a lot again.
It's been lovely taking care of you and having you as my patient.
Thank you so much, doctor.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I'm so blessed to have her, and again, it just made a huge change in my lifestyle and everything.
Thank you.